Are you looking for an easy way to make money online? Well, look no further than YouTube. In this video, I am going to show you some of the best methods for making money on YouTube. From monetizing your videos to getting sponsorships, there are a lot of options out there for you. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced YouTuber, this video is for you. So if you're ready to start making some money online, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Why choose YouTube? You already know videos play a vital role in your business. So it's time you started planning where to publish those videos as well. Yes, there are loads of websites out there for publishing videos online, but you need to ask yourself, are they even worth it? We all use YouTube as a primary platform for watching videos online, be it cat videos, fashion vlogs, sports clips, cartoons, tech reviews, cooking tips, you name it. Remember, YouTube has been in the game for years, and improvements are being made continuously to meet our needs. Here's why YouTube is the best video sharing platform. It's the Google of all types of videos. Google is the king of search engines, and we all know that. And guess what? Google owns YouTube. Now that explains why you should consider YouTube over anything else. Millions of viewers. This is no joke. Tons of people watch YouTube videos on a regular basis. There isn't a specific number since it changes almost every day. However, if you're a business, you need all those views, and YouTube is known to always stay a few steps ahead in terms of hosting videos. Free marketing. Everyone loves free marketing. Once you start uploading videos on YouTube, you'll see how easy it is to insert links and boost your website's traffic. Remember, having a video can help to generate more traffic to your blog. Now, all this sounds really great, but how to start a YouTube channel and make money? Well, you don't need to be tech savvy to know how to create a YouTube channel. Just head over to youtube.com, sign into your Google account, and boom, you now have your official YouTube channel. Okay, since we got this out of the way, how do you get money from YouTube? To answer that, you first need to understand what makes a successful YouTuber. What type of content is popular on YouTube? Honestly, you can make anything and become famous on YouTube, as long as you're creative and passionate about what you're doing. People watch a wide variety of videos on YouTube. Here's a list of popular YouTube video categories. Singing. Are you a singer? If so, don't waste any more time and begin your YouTube journey with singing. People love listening to good music and are always looking for new voices that can strike a chord in their hearts. There are tons of YouTube channels that feature creators who either produce original songs or make covers of others' music. And yes, they're all making money doing so. Teaching. Nowadays, whenever we're in doubt, we simply look for the answer on the internet. If you're good at a subject like mathematics, English, science, or anything, you can start sharing your knowledge on YouTube. People will appreciate your help so much. Tutorials. Similar to teaching, if you're good at making something interesting, consider making tutorial videos on it. The how-to videos are really popular on YouTube. Fashion advice. If you have a good clothing sense and would like to share your experience and tips with the world, feel free to go with this particular niche. Remember, not everyone has a good fashion sense, and those who don't will surely appreciate your work. You can help your subscribers look gorgeous, and they'll thank you for it. Makeup tutorials. There are so many makeup gurus out there on YouTube. Popular makeup artists produce incredibly fun and engaging makeup tutorials that people find helpful. They all make a large amount of money from YouTube. Cooking videos. Can I make money on YouTube by making cooking videos? Of course you can. Cooking videos attract tons of viewers on YouTube. Everyone loves delicious food, and they enjoy going through the best cooking tips online. Pet videos. If you have a dog or cat and have a great time with their funny little activities, you can share those videos and entertain your viewers. Furthermore, you can upload content discussing how to take care of pets. Comedy videos. If you like to do mimicry or crack jokes, you can easily attract a good amount of followers on your channel. Make a content strategy for YouTube. You already know how to make a YouTube channel, and you've also chosen a suitable niche. But without a content strategy, your channel will do no good on YouTube. First of all, you must create videos that are worth sharing. Because if people don't like and share your videos, your channel won't be visible to a broader audience. Here's how you can create a perfect content strategy for YouTube. Keep consistency. You need to be consistent with your video making strategy on YouTube. All big-name YouTubers keep consistency in their channel. You need to figure out how many videos to upload each week. What this indicates is that you don't have to upload daily. You just need to be consistent with your uploads. Build the community. The best thing about YouTube is that it lets you build a sense of community for all brands, with each YouTuber having the ability to create a loyal fan base. Read comments, reply to them whenever possible, listen to your audience, and ask them what they'd like to see on the next video. In short, communicate and interact with your audience as much as you can. Make a series of videos. Consider creating a series of YouTube videos. This will keep your audience hooked to your channel. Big YouTubers like MKBHD, Dude Perfect, PewDiePie, and Felipe Neto utilize this nifty strategy to keep their viewers coming for more. Collaborate. Collaborating with other YouTubers can help you come up with some excellent content ideas. For example, YouTube star Shane Dawson recently collaborated with Eugenia Cooney, another fellow YouTuber, on a video that took the internet by storm. What collaboration does is allow you to attract the audience of the person you're collaborating with and vice versa. It's a win-win situation. Optimize for search. Your videos need to be visible to searchers. If they cannot find you upon their searches, then it's bad news for your channel. So if you want to rank higher on YouTube, you must use specific keywords in the title, a well-crafted description, relevant tags, etc. Thumbnails also attract a lot of viewers, so make sure you have one customized for each video. Once you have a solid content strategy for your channel, it's time to utilize the best tools available at your disposal. How do people make money on YouTube? If you made it this far, it's safe to say that you've successfully created a YouTube channel, picked a great niche, and built a solid strategy for your channel. Now, without wasting another minute of yours, let's show you how to monetize YouTube videos to make money. Qualifying for monetization. Your YouTube channel must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months. Only then can you apply for YouTube monetization. Don't worry. Once you have implemented a solid SEO strategy, you'll start hitting those big numbers in no time. Just try not to trick the system because your application for monetization could be rejected due to your channel being involved in view for view or sub for sub activities. Paid sponsorships. This is an absolute banker for generating money on YouTube. Paid sponsorships are basically when brands offer you a reasonable price for mentioning their product in your video. It might be a hard goal to achieve, but if you can engage with a few companies, you'll be making a lot of money. It's worth the effort. Affiliates. Similar to paid sponsorships, except less money. But the best thing is, getting into affiliate programs is easier compared to direct sponsorships. For example, sign up for any affiliate program and you'll get a special discount code your followers can use while buying. Each time someone uses the code to purchase something from that company, you'll receive a small payment. You can mention the code in your video or the description. Wrapping up. If you have the skills to create amazing videos and are looking for ways to learn how to start a YouTube channel and make money from it, then you need to master YouTube marketing. Since you made it this far, you must have understood the monetization process of YouTube and how YouTubers make money online. That said, start your YouTube journey today and become a successful YouTuber. Also, feel free to share this video with your friends and leave us a comment below if you have any queries. I hope you guys surely like and enjoy our video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.